Hi friends, I am back and today I have opted for something different. So, we are going to talk about how to use English in your daily life. We all struggle to speak English because we are not from an English background. We don't have English as a mother tongue. So, I'm going to help you out with that and we are going to take up few sentences. Some would be questions and some would be answers to those sentences, and these can be used very easily in your day-to-day conversation. So do like my channel, like the video, subscribe to my channel and share as much as possible, and don't forget to press the bell button so that every time I upload a video you get a notification. So let's get started. Alright, so our very first question is, if you want to ask someone about their well-being, जब आप उनसे मिलते हैं और आप पूछना चाहते हैं कि वो कैसे हैं, so you have all these sentences right in front of you that you can use. So first one is, how are you? Second, how are you doing? Third, how is everything going? Fourth, what's going on? Fifth, anything interesting going on? And sixth, what's up? So all of these variants can be used as a starter for your English lessons and to use it in your daily life. For example, you went to the office and you saw a colleague, so you can ask them what's going on, or simply if you want to be a little more modern and contemporary, you can use what's up. So you can use these kinds of questions to ask your colleagues, your friends, and in your daily life, even if you don't know somebody. It would come in a lot handy and will show that you know English truly well. So we discussed how you can ask a question about somebody's well-being. What if someone asks you that question like, how are you, buddy? So what should be your reply? So you can reply in these ways. I'm okay. I'm not too bad. You can also say, I'm doing fine. Thank you. I am very well. This is my most favorite because it is very safe and very classy. You can just say, I'm doing great, or you can say, I'm doing very well. If you want to sound more fancy, you can say, I am in great spirits. And if you want to show a little bit of excitement because you're happy, you can say, everything is going fabulous on my side. And if you just want to give a pretty sweet answer and shut the conversation, I'm doing pretty good. I hope so that you are doing great. अगर आप सब इसको रिलीजियसली फॉलो करोगे, रोज़ फॉलो करोगे और ठीक से यूज़ करोगे तो डेफिनेटली आपको कुछ इम्प्रूवमेंट दिखेगा अपनी इंग्लिश स्किल्स में, और आप देखेंगे कि कैसे छोटे छोटे स्टेप्स जो हैं, बेबी स्टेप्स विल ऑलवेज हेल्प यू. आप चाहे 10 सेंटेंसेस ऐसे वाले रोज़ बोलेंगे तो आपकी जो बेटरमेंट है इंग्लिश में वो काफ़ी नज़र आएगी. बहुत बार ऐसा होता है कि आप किसी को थैंक यू बोलना चाहते हैं, बट आप शो करना चाहते हैं कि आप बहुत ज़्यादा अप्रिशिएट करते हैं उनकी हेल्प को, या ऐसा मतलब काफ़ी खुशी से दिखाना चाहते हैं. सो इफ़ यू वांट टू थैंक देम एंड यू वांट टू साउंड प्रोफेशनल, सो हाउ कैन यू डू इट? सो नंबर वन, you can say thank you so much for your help. Number two, you can say I appreciate your help a lot. Then third, you can say how kind of you to help me. Fourth, you can say thanks a million. So this is very easy and sounds very classy. Thanks a million. And lastly, you can say how generous of you to help me. So if you will use these sentences in your conversation to thank someone, to show your gratefulness towards someone, it will make a lot of difference in how you speak, and you can easily impress someone. ओके अगर आप किसी से ये पूछना चाहते हैं कि वो क्या काम करते हैं, क्या वो स्टूडेंट हैं, बिजनेस करते हैं या जॉब करते हैं, सो इफ़ यू वांट टू आस्क देम व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ वर्क डू दे डू, if they are a student, if they are business people, or they are into some profession, so how can you ask? So you have first very simple one, what do you do, which means कि आप क्या करते हैं. Second, you can ask, are you working somewhere? थर्ड, आर यू अ स्टूडेंट, कि क्या आप स्टूडेंट हैं. फोर्थ यू कैन से आर यू परस्यूइंग योर स्टडीज, कि आप अभी भी क्या अपनी पढ़ाई को आगे बढ़ा रहे हैं. फिफ्थ यू कैन से आर यू इनटू सम प्रोफेशन, कि आप किसी प्रोफेशन में एंगेज्ड हैं, कि आप कोई काम करते हैं ऐसा. सिक्स्थ आप क्या पूछ सकते हैं, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ अ जॉब डू यू डू, सो आप किस तरीके की नौकरी करते हैं. सेवेंथ यू कैन आस्क व्हाट डू यू डू फॉर अ लिविंग, कि आप अपना घर चलाने के लिए टू विन योर ब्रेड व्हाट डू यू डू, कौन सा काम करते हैं आप. And lastly you can ask what are you working on, so this is a little casual, कि आप क्या काम कर रहे हैं आजकल, क्या चल रहा है, किस चीज़ पे आप काम कर रहे हैं, उस तरीके का ये सेंटेंस है, क्वेश्चन है जो आप यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू मोल्ड योर सेंटेंसेस अ बिट, and even if you use 3 to 4 of them in your conversation on a daily basis, you will see a remarkable difference. आप देखेंगे कि आपकी जो बोलने की लैंग्वेज है, इंग्लिश, स्पोकन इंग्लिश, वो कितनी इम्प्रूव हो गई है. Alright, so if someone has asked me what do you do, अगर किसी ने मुझसे ये सवाल पूछा है कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, जो अभी हमने डिस्कस किया कि हम कैसे पूछ सकते हैं कि आप क्या करते हैं, वही सवाल अगर किसी ने मुझसे किया कि मैं क्या करती हूँ, तो उसके कई तरीके हैं जिसका मैं जवाब दे सकती हूँ, कई तरीक़ों से मैं उसको आंसर कर सकती हूँ. सो आई कैन आंसर दैट क्वेश्चन व्हाट डू यू डू इन अ डिफरेंट वे एवरी टाइम. So here are your examples. Number one, I'm just a teacher, or whatever, software engineer or fashion designer or lawyer. You can include your profession in that. Then second, I just graduated from my college. So it means कि आपने just अभी college से graduate हुए हैं. Or you can say I just graduated from my postgraduate college. So both ways it is fine. थर्ड आप क्या कह सकते हैं, आई एम लुकिंग फॉर अ सूटेबल जॉब, मीनिंग कि आप अपने लिए कोई अच्छी सी नौकरी ढूंढ रही हैं जो आपके प्रोफेशनल करियर को आगे लेकर जाएगी. फोर्थ, व्हाट कैन यू आस्क, और सॉरी, व्हाट यू कैन आंसर इज आई एम परस्यूइंग माई पैशन ऑफ सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, एक्टिंग, टीचिंग. किसी भी तरीके का आपका पैशन है कि आप अगर बहुत डांस में अच्छे हैं या मेकअप में अच्छे हैं, तो आप उस चीज़ को परस्यू कर रहे हैं. सो यू कैन से आई एम परस्यूइंग माई singing, I am pursuing my acting talent. Then fifth, what can you say, I'm currently applying to get a new job. So maybe आप एक नई जॉब ढूंढ रहे हैं, तो आप ये कह सकते हैं कि आप बहुत जगह पे अप्लाई कर रहे हैं ताकि एक आपको न्यू जॉब मिल सके. Sixth, what can you say, I'm into my family business, that you have a business already settled and you're looking after that, meaning you have joined your family's business and you're working on that. Seventh, I'm still studying for my postgraduate degree, that you're still a student and you're still studying in the college or in the school or postgraduate degree or university, whatever. And then lastly, you can say, these days we see too many people are freelancing, meaning that they're not, with some organization, but they're working on their own and freelancing and giving their skills. So you can say eighth one, I am a freelance photographer, I'm a freelance teacher, I'm a freelance fashion designer, I'm a freelance makeup artist. So all these set of answers will definitely give an edge to you over other people who just speak, simple languages every day. And if you include this in your spoken English, it will definitely make a mark with whom you are speaking, and it will leave an impression on the person you are speaking to. So friends, we have come to the end of the video. Please do subscribe to my channel, like the video and comment all your queries down there, and I will be replying to all your queries. And don't forget to use all these questions and their answers in your daily language, and you will see a lot of difference in how you speak, and it will definitely leave an impression on the person you are talking to. Bye bye for now.